One of the most important things you must do as a leader is help your team identify what's most important right now. Hi, my name is Jason Ellinger. I'm the CEO of a multi-million-dollar company called Taika Translations. We're interpretation, translation, and digital services agency. And when I would come to meetings, I would be frustrated. And I would be frustrated because I would have the meeting 3 weeks ago, talk about things that needed to be done, come to the meeting, and 50% of those things would be done. And I would think, man, all these things should be done, and we should be doing other new things. Until I found out one truth, and that is, well, two actually. Number one is, I had to help my team understand what the most important thing that they must do before the next meeting is. And the second thing is, I had to change my meeting cadence to make sure I met every single week with my direct reports and that they meet every single week with their direct reports. That causes a winning case scenario every time because you're constantly following up with them, showing them and talking through the scenario, helping them understand what's most important right now, and what do we need to do between this week and next week, and they get about the business of doing that. When you show up to next meeting, that is done, and we can drive forward to the next one. So I hope this helps somebody out there as you're working through trying to help your team be as productive as they could possibly be. Make sure you're having 1, weekly meetings, and make sure you're having, number 2, that they know exactly what the most important priority is between this meeting and next meeting, and have all the resources to get that job done.